Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Excel. We found a problem with some content error. This error appears when trying to open and edit data in Excel Workbook. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix. We found a problem with some content error in Excel using 5 fixes. Solution 1. Set calculation option to manual. The first solution you can try is setting the calculation option to manual from automatic in Excel. This can prevent the error from occurring as the workbook is opened. To set calculation option to manual, you have to click on File, and then click on New. Under New, click on the blank workbook option. Then, click on the File menu, and click on Options. Under the Formulas category, pick Manual in Calculation Options, and click on OK. Click on the File menu, and then click Open. Navigate to the corrupt workbook and then double-click to open to check if the error is solved. Method 2. Copy the corrupted sheet data to a new workbook. Moving the corrupted sheet data to a new Excel workbook is another easy trick to fix. We found a problem error. To do this, open your corrupted sheet. Select all the content using Ctrl+A keys. Then press Ctrl+C to copy them. After that, create a new workbook and paste the copied content using Ctrl+V keys to a new file. Solution 3. Disable links and external references in the worksheet. If your Excel file contains any external links that have been removed or renamed, it can lead to loading or processing issues and trigger this error. You can fix it by removing all the external links from the Excel file. For this, open the corrupted Excel file in Microsoft Excel, and click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Data tab, and click on Edit Links. A new window with links used in the workbook will open. Select the links you want to modify or remove. To modify a link, click Change Source, and browse for the correct source file. To remove a link, select it and click Break Link. After modifying or removing the links, close the Edit Links window, and save the changes to the Excel file. Solution 4. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve Excel errors, including we found a problem error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File, then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 5. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve we found a problem error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with a progressive algorithm to repair all types of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing. We found a problem with some content error in Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.